I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make iced chai tea. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 chai tea bags, about 8 ounces of hot water, 4 ounces of your favorite milk, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This easy guide will help you create a delicious, refreshing drink in just a few steps, perfect for any time you crave a cool treat. Now let's brew our chai concentrate. Place 2 chai tea bags into 8 ounces of hot water. Allow them to steep for about 5 minutes to extract all that wonderful flavor. If you prefer a bolder taste, you can steep them for an extra minute or 2. Once brewed, remove the tea bags and let the concentrate cool down completely. This cooling step is crucial for a truly iced beverage. With your chai concentrate cooled, it's time to assemble your delicious iced chai. Grab a tall glass and fill it generously with ice cubes. Next, pour the 8 ounces of cooled chai concentrate directly over the ice. Then, add 4 ounces of your preferred milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative. Finally, stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of your chosen sweetener to achieve your perfect level of sweetness. Before taking your first sip, give your iced chai a good stir to ensure all the flavors are beautifully blended and the sweetener is fully dissolved. Take a taste and feel free to adjust the sweetness or add a little more milk if you like. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a cinnamon stick. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your perfectly crafted, refreshing iced chai tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.